Hey Vogue, welcome to my bathroom. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my beauty secrets. Obviously this is not a Vogue video, it's my video. I wish I was on Vogue, but I'm not. Maybe one day though, we're like manifesting it with this video. Yeah, so this video is kind of going around a little bit on YouTube, and I saw Summer McKeen do this, and I was like, ooh, fun, I want to do that. So here I am to show you guys my skincare and makeup. So I'm not going to jabble. Is that even a word? No. I'm going to stop rambling on and start with my skincare. I just washed my face, and I just kind of go in with a moisturizer. I've been using the Ordinary Natural Moisturizing Factors Plus HA moisturizer before my makeup, just to kind of give a nice slate for my makeup. I don't do much for my skin, but I washed it with the CeraVe foaming facial cleanser, and now I just moisturize. Yeah. So the first thing I'm doing is moisturizing my lips with Vaseline. I like to do this before starting my makeup so that they're moisturizing throughout the whole time I'm doing my makeup. So now I'm using the NARS Creamy Concealer, and I just go in on my blemishes and little like red spots like around my nose or right here just for some discoloration. So yeah, so basically I'm just going to put some right there, some right here, right there, right here, right there. And around my nose. And then I just blend that in with a sponge. This is the Real Techniques one. It's really hard to not look at myself over here. So sorry, I'm gonna have to work on that. Okay, so now I just take a tiny bit of the concealer right under my eyes in like the inner, and I just put them right there like that, and then blend those out. I need my mirror. Okay, so that's like the little base layer of concealer. That's all I do for really covering up anything. Now I'm going to be going in with some bronzer. This is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. It smells really good. It's a really good, just natural glow, and it's inexpensive, so it's a win-win. And I just kind of go like all over basically. I go in with this, so just on my cheeks, a lot, like even high on my cheeks, kind of where blush goes is what I really like to do. I also add blush, but I really do like to add it onto my cheeks. Now I'm using the e.l.f. blush. This is, I have no idea what even color this is. That's not really helpful. I'm just putting it on like the high points of my cheeks to really lift my face up and make it just lift and look fresh. And I also go on my nose like I'm a little bit sunburned or something. So now we are looking nice and bronzy and blushy. And we're gonna do my eyebrows now. My eyebrow routine is whack. But for my eyebrows, I've been using the Anastasia Brow Freeze Styling Gel Wax. So I just get a spoolie, and I bent this one, but I get it a little bit on there. And then I just brush them straight upwards. And they look crazy at first, like absolutely insane, but that's okay because we fixed them. They literally look insane. Like, what is that? This one is the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer, and it's in the color brunette. And I kind of just fill in the really, really sparse areas. So I just kind of fill in the bottoms because they're definitely really sparse there. And just kind of fill in anywhere that needs it. So yeah, I like to use the Anastasia Brow Gel over the top because I feel like the brow freeze look. You don't freeze my brows. So I just kind of put this on over that to kind of really put them in place. So there we are. That really just enhances my natural eyebrow, which is really, really nice. So yeah. So after brows are done, the face looks funny because your eyes are like empty. But I'm going to go in with the Butter Bronzer on my eyelids now and put that all over my eyelids and crease and all of that. Just really get in there. Now it's mascara time, so I'm going to curl my eyelashes. This is an old eyelash curler, but my tip for eyelash curling, my little beauty secret, is curl like from the base of your eyelashes and then go like to the middle and then to the tip. is like my tip. Before I put mascara on, I'm gonna put highlighter on. This is the Physicians Formula Diamond Dust. It's really, really pretty. So I'm just gonna take that on my finger. It is like sheer, but it's really, really shimmery. And I'm gonna go into my inner corners with that. Now for my nose highlight, it's a little weird, but I use the Jaclyn Hill palette. This color right here, the second light shade, it's the color Beam for my nose highlight. It's like the best. I can't find something better to use. I love it. So I just put that right on the tip of my nose. It looks crazy at first. I blend it obviously. And I also put it on the bridge of my nose. So I just highlight her. So I'm actually trying a new mascara. This is the Air Volley Mega Mascara from L'Oreal. My aunt said it's really good, so I'm gonna try it. Yeah. My tip for mascara, my beauty secret, is to not put mascara on the bottom lashes because it can kind of make you look like way down, tired, kind of get on the bottom. I don't know. I don't really like it, so I just put it on the top to make me feel more or look more awake and more natural. So let's see how this looks. Pretty good. It's a little bit clumpy, but not bad. I do, no matter what kind of makeup I'm doing, I like my lashes to pop off. So I'm okay with like not clumpy, but a little bit more dramatic with lashes, even if I'm going for a more natural look, just because, I don't know, I just really think eyelashes make your makeup look really good, so yeah. Okay, I tried to fix the mascara a little bit. That mascara is a no for me. I'm gonna go in on the second eye with my old trusty L'Oreal Lash Paradise, Voluminous Lash Paradise, because the other one was just not doing it for me. Okay, I'm grabbing a Q-tip now to clean up the messiness I got on my eyelids. Just like that. That side really didn't get any mess. And we're about done. Notice how I didn't use any kind of like powder under my eyes or in my face, like face powder. I find that for summer glowy, more natural makeup, to not use powder is better, just so you can kind of, so you don't look cakey. Powder, I feel like, makes makeup look cakey, kind of always. I mean, if you're going for a glam, it don't really matter, but more natural, I try to stay away from powders for my face. Now, for my lips, for a little bit of tint, I'm using the Sun Balm Little Tinted Lip Chapstick Balm. I really recommend a tinted chapstick to have a more natural tint to your lips versus a lipstick or a lip liner. So I'm just adding a little bit of this. And then I'm blending it in to just add a nice little tint to my lippies. Now I'm going to take the Diamond Dust highlighter again and go on my cheeks just very, very lightly. Something else I have a tip for is highlighter, take it lightly. Don't be too crazy with highlighter. I know that sounds crazy, but less is more with highlighter in my opinion. Otherwise you can like clearly see you're wearing highlighter, and that's just not the vibe. I don't want to be so clear that we are wearing highlighter. Okay, now last thing I do is spray my face with a luminous setting spray. This is the Morphe one, and it smells really good. That's how I finish it all off. So this is my makeup. I didn't have that many beauty secrets. This is the makeup. Do we like it? Obviously this lighting makes my makeup, I feel like, look a little bit more dramatic. If I turn this off, it's gonna be orange lighting in here, but hold on. Okay, that's horrible. The lighting's so bad. We are done. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's definitely a different one for me, but yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to like it and subscribe for more of me. And thank you so much, Vogue, for having me. I feel really honored. I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you. Goodbye.